with us, now we know that we're galactic.